It's your girl Drknlvely, aka Robin, and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here in the show, first time seeing the mug, I need you to go ahead and subscribe. Yes, go ahead, click that little button and then the bell right next to it. You feel me? So I asked y'all on my Instagram, if you ain't following me, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and follow right there, okay? I asked y'all if y'all wanted to see a bun tutorial because I did this bun, and now that I'm sitting down, I can see that I actually can't see in the mirror that I put right here. Okay, it's a little messy right now because it's been like this since Friday. Yes, it's been like this since Friday, so I ain't moved it. And the bun is still bunning, okay? It's bunning, baby. It's like, what? So I'm gonna show you guys how I did this. So let's take it down. All right, so, okay, now that my hair is down, I still can't see in my mirror. Okay, I'm back. We have to reposition the chair, the camera, all that. Okay, I suggest before you do this hairstyle, I suggest that you make sure that your scalp is moisturized. If you need to moisturize your scalp, not everybody needs to moisturize your scalp, but if your scalp gets dry, I suggest you moisturize your hair before, because once you put this bun in, baby, it's staying in. You can't help but let this bun stay in because it's not going nowhere, okay? So here are all the things you will need. You will need whatever hair tie you use to tie up your head, okay? Whatever. You don't gotta use what I use. This is what I use. This is what works for me. You will need 1 or 2 hairpins, okay? 1 or 2 of these. And the secret weapon, a hairnet. Yes, baby, a hairnet. I seen this on Instagram one time. I bought a whole bunch of them off of Amazon. Check the Amazon store. That's where I bought all mine, and let's go. So let's put the hair in a bun, baby. Let's put it in the bun. But since we're gonna be manipulating the hair, we want to moisturize it, okay? Just a little bit. All right, so let's put the hair up in the bun. Whatever bun, you could do a low bun, a high bun, a top knot, whatever you wanna do. I'ma do a semi up bun. Okay, so here's the tricky part. Y'all know my locks are thick, so me trying to get all of them in one, okay? And I don't like it real tight, so you see how, like that? I want it like that. I want that looseness if I go like that, okay? So there, I barely got my hand around my hair, okay? Okay. So then we take my stretched out hair tie. And this could be a neat bun or it could be a messy bun. But this is how I do it. They say don't do it like this. They say don't do it like this, but this is how I do it. I think that's a TikTok. Okay, we're gonna make sure. And then what we're gonna do, so we're gonna try and pull the hair like that. I don't know if that makes any sense, but pull all the hair to the front, right? So now all my hair in the front is like pushed to the front, right? So now I got this hair hanging down back here. So what I do is I take it and I just shove it under. I just shove it under, okay? I just shove it under. And then same with this. I take this loose hair that's out and I shove it up underneath the hair tie, okay? So for the most part, we got that bun, okay? Then, secret weapon. This not gonna stay in. There's gonna be flyaways if I shake too hard, if I sneeze too hard, if somebody call my name and I turn my head too fast, these locks is coming out. So, hairnet. We're gonna take it and we gonna secure the bun. Not the bag, the bun, okay? Okay, we got some loosies over here, so we're just gonna tuck those under. And what tucking under does, it builds up the voluminous of the bun if you tuck under, okay? So for the most part, my bun is done, baby. Bun is not moving, baby. So then I take that one hair tie, and then I just kind of secure the hairnet on. It's not going nowhere, but just in case it decides it wants to go somewhere, it's not. So then I'm done, baby. Bun, baby. That's the bun. That's it. That's all. That's all I do. Okay? That's it. Bun will probably be in for the remainder of the week, okay? And some may be like, oh, I don't like the hairnet. You can see the hairnet. Mind your business. If you that close to me and you worried about what's on my head, I'm gonna need you to just keep it moving. Keep it moving. Don't worry about what I got going on over here. Just know that everything is secured. The bag is secured and the bun is secured, okay? And this is just how I like to do all of my hair, is, you know, basically up in a bun. That's it. That's all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Please like it up. Please comment down below. Let YouTube know that you enjoyed this video so they can share it to other people, so you know we could grow over here at the Dark Knight Squad. I appreciate y'all, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.